Today we are going to talk about germination of seed. When the plant will grow from seed, first of all what we do, we prepare the soil. For preparing the soil, we have to make the soil soft so that the seeds can germinate easily. After making the soil soft, we sow the seeds. Sow the seeds means we put the seeds in the soil and cover them again with water. Now when we water the seeds, when we water the soil, what happens? This seed, it absorbs water and this seed coat is broken and finally removed from the seed. And then the seed, as you know, this is called embryo. When the seed coat is removed, two structures start developing from here. This is called radicle, that is future root, and this is called plumule, that is future shoot. These are developed, and when they are growing, how they get food? They will get food from this, that is called cotyledon or seed leaves. Seed leaves provide the food to the developing embryo. So that is why, because it is providing food to the developing embryo, what will happen? The cotyledon will shrink and finally it disappears. And the radicle, because it is going to form the root, it starts growing downwards. And the plumule, because it is going to form the future shoot, it starts growing upward, means above the soil. And then when the cotyledon disappears, these leaves are formed and the root is fully developed, means the radicle, it is fully developed into a root, means it is capable to absorb water from the soil. And they have leaves which are capable to undergo photosynthesis and to make their own food. So this structure that comes out of the soil is called baby plant, or we can call it sapling also. So this structure is called sapling or baby plant. And in this manner the seed, it develops into a new plant, and gradually this new plant, it grows into a big plant or big tree. I will just revise it. First of all, when we sow the seed in the soil, it absorbs water and the seed coat is removed. And then the development starts from here, that is called embryo. The radicle and the plumule is developed. The radicle goes downwards into the soil because it is the future root. The plumule, it goes upward to the outward the soil because it is future shoot. And in the meantime, when they are developing, they are not capable of making their own food, so they take their food from this cotyledon. Means the cotyledon provide nourishment to the developing embryo. And after few days, the radicle, it completely changes into root and is capable of absorbing water from the soil, and the plumule, which changes into shoot and it develops leaves which are capable of undergoing photosynthesis and they make their own food. Now cotyledon is not there and the leaves are making their food with their own, and then gradually they grow into a new plant. So this was germination of seed. Thank you. Have a nice day.